What's up, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of Huawei Nova 3 smartphone. We are going to have a look on the device, its design, the content we got inside the retail box, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So inside the retail box you will find our device, SIM card tray ejector pin, a case for the back panel, and here is the 18-watt charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a 3.5mm earphone. So these are the content you will get inside the retail box: Nova 3 smartphone, a back case, USB Type-C cable, the charger, and the 3.5mm earphone. So here is our Huawei Nova 3 smartphone in black color variant. Now let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the highlighted features and aspects of the device. So it comes with Green 970 processor, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen. On the back side there is 16 megapixel color and 24 megapixel black and white camera module provided. The Nova 3 variant that we got here comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. The SIM2 slot can be used as micro SD card slot as well. On the front side there is 24 plus 2 megapixel dual front camera setup, and the device is powered by 3750 mAh battery. So right now I'm just going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen first. And here we go. So this is our Huawei Nova 3 smartphone. So first of all, let's have a look on the design of the device. So this is the front side. As you can see, it comes with 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen, and the screen to body ratio is 84.2. So at the top you can see there is a notch provided at the top, and at the bottom there is slight chin here as well. The bezels are pretty thin, and most of the part of the front side is basically screen, and the display quality of the device looks really nice. Let me bring it closer to the camera, and you can see that how nice is the display quality. It's looking really good. Also the viewing angles are nice here as well. The screen is so close to the lens, as you can see, but still there is no pixelation that you can see or notice. The display quality is really nice. It's so sharp, and also the viewing angles are great, as you can see. So the display of Huawei Nova 3 is really good. It's big, it's looking bright as well. Let me check the brightness, that how nice it is in terms of brightness. So this is really good. As you can see, it's super bright. But we will check the display quality of Huawei Nova 3 in our detailed review, that how good it's going to perform in outdoors lighting and how good is the performance in the bright sunlight. But at the first glance, it's looking really nice and impressive. At the top of the screen there is 24 plus 2 megapixel front camera setup. There is an earpiece and some set of sensors provided as well. And the screen comes with a pre-installed screen protector as well, as you can see here. So this is a good thing about Nova 3, that it comes with a screen protector and also a back panel case. At the bottom there is a speaker grill, a microphone, USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm audio port provided as well. And there are two antenna lines next to the USB port, but they're very well hidden. On the left hand side what we got is the SIM card tray slot. Nova 3 is a dual SIM smartphone, and the SIM2 slot can be used as a micro SD card slot as well. The right hand side we got volume rockers and the power on off key. As you can see, that power on off key has a nice texture provided that distinguishes it from the volume keys. Then at the top we got just a microphone. On the back side there is a fingerprint sensor, camera module that comes with 16 megapixel RGB and 24 megapixel monochrome lens, and then there is LED flash provided. There is Huawei branding. The back panel is really flashy and it looks premium, and it's very reflective. We got the black one, but if you are going to get the red one or the iris purple, then back panel is really reflective and it looks very beautiful. And if you go to the settings and then to the system and about phone section, here you will find more information about the device, that it is Huawei Nova 3. It comes with Emotion UI 8.2, Android version 8.1. The CPU used is Green 970. It comes with 4GB RAM, Out of 128 GB, 116 GB is free. So nearly 12 GB internal storage is already consumed. This is the screen resolution, Full HD Plus. Android security patch level is of June 1st, but it will be upgraded later. And if you go back and go to the storage, once again you will get the information that out of 128 GB, 116 GB is preoccupied mostly by the ROM and some other stuff, pre-installed application and all. And if you go to the memory here, you will find the information regarding the RAM. So you can see it comes with 4 GB RAM, out of which 1.76 GB RAM is already consumed and 1.85 GB RAM is available right after using the device for the very first time. So on average you will get around 2 GB RAM free most of the time, and that should be sufficient. But we will do a detailed gaming review of Huawei Nova 3 to see how good the RAM of this device is going to perform for heavy graphics game and for multitasking purpose as well. So if I'm going to close everything, then 2.67 GB RAM is available now. In the settings you can see that Emotion UI comes with lots of nice and interesting feature. You can see in the security and privacy that it also comes with face recognition feature along with the fingerprint sensor. So on the home screen of Huawei Nova 3 you will find set of Google application, Play Store, Gallery, Camera app, and on the next screen there is App Gallery, Phone Manager, Themes, Music, Videos, Health, Clock, Calendar, Huawei Files, Notepad. Game Suite is provided as well that we are going to use in our gaming review. It enhances the gaming performance. And then there is Tips, Party Mode, Tools, and Z Camera. What Party Mode exactly does that? It lets you connect multiple smartphones while playing music, and same music will be played from every smartphone and it will create a party effect. So this is also a very nice feature. Under the Tools folder you will find some nice and useful applications like weather calculator, voice recorder, flashlight, mirror, backup, compass, and there is quick video editor provided as well. So these are the stuff we got on our Huawei Nova 3. And now let's have a look on the camera. So as I said that it comes with 24 plus 2 megapixel front facing camera and 16 plus 24 megapixel rear camera. Out of these two, 16 megapixel lens is RGB and 24 megapixel lens is monochrome to capture black and white photos from your Huawei Nova 3. So if you go to the camera app here, you can see that it comes with lots of features and options. There is AI mode provided as well that detects the object in the viewfinder or the scenery and changes the camera setting accordingly to capture the perfect image. There are AR lenses provided. You got the portrait mode with bokeh effect, 3D lighting, beautification. There is dedicated aperture mode provided here as well. And if you go to the photos, you will get the moving image, that's called moving picture. On Emotion UI there is smart scanner provided as well that scans the object on the screen and provides the product information from Amazon to purchase it. And talking about the video, Huawei Nova 3 is capable of recording 4K videos and Full HD videos at 60 FPS. So we will check all of these features and performance of Huawei Nova 3 camera in our detailed camera review video, but right now we are just going to take few pictures quickly to see how good Huawei Nova 3 is going to perform. So I'm just going to capture some images of this tiny little toy here. So you can see that the focusing speed is quite good. And now let's have a look on the pictures that we have just captured. You can see that lots of details are there in the picture, and the focus is on the object, not on my thumb. As you can see that I tapped on the toy while capturing the image, and the focus is exactly on the spot where I have tapped on the screen. So you can see lots of detail. Color saturation is good as well, and even after zooming in it's not getting blurred a lot. So lots of detail is still there. Here once again you can see that my thumb is out of focus and the focus is on the object. So this is really nice. You can see how much detail is coming in the picture even after zooming in, and you can see that the focus is perfect. My thumb is totally blurred and this is totally in focus, and the color saturation is nice as well. I have captured these images in the artificial light inside this room. So in the detailed camera review we are going to check all of these features, camera capability in different lighting condition to see how good Huawei Nova 3 is going to perform when it comes to imaging, but at the first glance it's looking really nice and perfect. As you can see here, the performance is really impressive. So the first impression of Huawei Nova 3 is really nice from every angle. Screen is big and the display quality is really nice. Talking about the design of the device, it's great as well. On the front side, most of the part is basically a screen. Back panel of the device is really reflective and beautiful, and it comes with glass back panel, so it looks really nice. It comes with 16 plus 24 megapixel rear camera, 24 plus 2 megapixel front facing camera, and at the first glance the performance of camera is looking really nice. It comes with lots of camera features that we are going to check in the detailed camera review, but at the first glance the performance of Huawei Nova 3 camera was really nice. Talking about the hardware, what we got here is Kirin 970. That's the flagship processor of Huawei till now, until the Mate 20 is not going to be released with 980. So the performance is expected to be great here as well, but once again we will check the performance of our Huawei Nova 3 in the detailed gaming review and the benchmarking test as well. But at the first glance, everything about Huawei Nova 3 is really impressive. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.